In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a check in QuickBooks Online. Managing your financial transactions accurately is a crucial part of maintaining your business records, and sometimes that means voiding a check that was issued in error. QuickBooks Online makes this process straightforward, but knowing the right steps is key to ensuring your records stay clean and compliant. Whether you're fixing a mistake or addressing a duplicate payment, I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. And if you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description to create your account and get started. First, begin by navigating to the top of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look for the search bar. It's located at the very top of the screen. Once you find it, click on it to open up the search functionality. This is your starting point for locating the transaction you need. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, select the option labeled Advanced Transaction Search. This will give you access to a more detailed search panel where you can specify exactly what you're looking for. Now, in the search panel, locate the filter called Transaction Type. Set this filter to check. This tells QuickBooks to focus only on checks, narrowing down the results and making it easier to find the one you need. To refine your search even further, you can apply additional filters. These might include specifying a date range, selecting a particular payee, entering an amount, or even using a keyword from the memo field. These options help you pinpoint the exact check faster, especially if you're working with a large volume of transactions. Once your filters are set, go ahead and run the search. QuickBooks will generate a list of checks based on the criteria you've provided. When you see the specific check you're looking for, click on it to open its full details. With the check details now open, scroll down to the bottom panel of the check window. Here you'll find an option labeled More. Click on that to access additional actions for the check. From the menu that appears, select Void. This is the action that will mark the check as voided in your financial records. At this point, QuickBooks will display a confirmation message. It's important to review this message carefully to ensure you're voiding the correct check. Once you've verified the details, confirm the void action to complete the process. After voiding the check, take a moment to verify that the check remains in your records. You should see that the check's number and payee are still intact, but the amount has been set to 0. This ensures that your records are accurate while reflecting that the check is no longer valid. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.